Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Travis from Modesty. How are you all doing? Inshallah, you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you a very short scarf tutorial. This is my go-to scarf style from when I need to be out the house in a couple of minutes. But also sometimes I just like to look up the style, so I just go ahead and do it. And I'm going to be showing it with you with my Dynamite scarf from Travis from Modesty. So this scarf can be worn in a few different ways. If you want the studs to show, if you don't want the studs to show. And I've done both depending on the day, the outfit, where I'm going, so it all depends, but let's get started. So the first thing that I do is kind of take out my scarf. So I get my scarf, and I also want the studs to be on the outside, so I open my scarf up this way, and then I'm going to flip it around and put it over my head. And now that I have this on here, I'm actually going to take off the scarf that I have on under, just so it's easy to do the style for you. Okay, now the scarf is kind of tipped over my head. I'm going to take this side, bring it over. I'm going to tuck it in the back of my untas, in the back of my underscarf. Make it a little bit higher, but enough so I still want a little bit of drapeage here. And I'm going to take this side, tuck it a little right here. I'm going to just bring it over. And then with this style, I'm just going to take it around my neck. And then I'm going to kind of tighten this up a little bit, clean this up a little bit. So here I'm also going to, I want my studs to show a little bit, but not a lot. So I'm just going to tuck this part over, but kind of get this little tail here. And then here I'm going to tuck this in a bit more too. I always try to make sure I have a little bit of drapeage when I am doing my scarves, because just by my understanding of the way the Quran is, we should also have our kimaras draping over our bosoms. So I kind of have that. And then having this like double detail of studs here, I love that. So here, my favorite part about this design is that there are no scarves and there are no pins here. Not no scarves, there are no pins in the scarf style. And sometimes I do use pins, but with this style I don't have to, and I love it. So this is the Dynamite scarf from Travis from Modesty. Tell me what you guys think about the style. Do you love it? Are you gonna go try it next time you put on your Dynamite scarf? Stay tuned for more tutorials. Can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair.